Alright, let's rewind time. Way back, before humans were running the world. Before we had smartphones, nukes, and 5-hour YouTube rabbit holes. And now, let's flip the script. What if animals evolved alongside us? Not as pets, food, or background characters, but as equal, intelligent civilizations. Yeah, shit's about to get wild. Okay, so in this alternate timeline, somewhere millions of years ago, evolution took a weird turn. While early humans were figuring out fire, animals weren't just chilling. They were thinking. Apes weren't just throwing poop at each other. They were making tools too. Wolves? They weren't just hunting. They were forming war strategies, like some ancient Viking clans. Meanwhile, humans were still eating raw meat and wondering why it hurt their stomachs. So yeah, competition was about to get real. Fast forward a few thousand years. Humans are building the first villages. But so are the lions. Deep in the jungles, gorillas have stone cities. Underwater, dolphins have their own version of Atlantis. Even ants. Yeah, they have a full-blown empire. And trust me, 1 billion ants working together, that's some straight-up nightmare fuel. This means humans aren't alone anymore. We're one of many rising species, and we're not even the best at everything. You really think humans were just gonna share the land? The second we saw intelligent wolves moving into our territory, yeah, that was a problem. The first Great War wasn't between humans. It was between humans and the animal kingdoms. Elephants charging through our wooden cities. Orcas sinking our boats like it's Assassin's Creed. Even octopuses playing 4D chess and stealing our weapons. And if you think cats were just chilling, nah. They were the spies. Lies. Sneaking into human camps, stealing information, probably assassinating kings in their sleep. Explains why they still act like they own the place. At some point, humans and animals realized maybe we should chill out before we wipe each other out. So, alliances started forming. The Eagle Empire dominated the skies. The Bear Republic controlled the frozen lands. And the Dolphin Federation? Yeah, they were running the ocean. Humans were still powerful. But now, we had to negotiate with lions before moving into the jungle. Had to pay taxes to the gorilla government. And worst of all, we had to fight for jobs against hard-working beavers. And let's be real, they probably outworked us. Fast forward to the 1800s. Factories. Machines. Steam engines. But this time, it's not just humans building them. It's every intelligent species racing to be the best. Horses? Yeah, they made cars before Henry Ford. Crows? They invented airplanes before the Wright brothers. And guess what? Octopuses were already coding computers underwater before we even figured out Morse code. Yeah, humans were getting outpaced. And our egos couldn't handle it. By the 1900s, shit got tense. Humans and animals were no longer just coexisting. We were in a full-blown Cold War. Dolphins had their own naval fleet. Bears had nuclear weapons. And birds. Oh, they were running the surveillance networks. Ever wonder why pigeons are everywhere? Yeah, they were spying on us the whole damn time. Meanwhile, monkeys were pulling some Wall Street-level corruption. And you just know some gorilla had a Bitcoin scam going on. So where does this all go? Are humans still top dog? Or do we get out-evolved by animals who actually respected nature instead of destroying it? Well, if history has taught us anything, it's that intelligence alone isn't enough. It's about who adapts better. And honestly, if animals really had human-level brains, we'd probably be the ones in zoos right now, being fed peanuts by a bunch of judgmental chimpanzees. And you know what? We deserve it. So what do you think? Would animals outsmart us? Or would humans still find a way to be the ultimate assholes of evolution? Drop your thoughts in the comments.